them.
You protect two of them? Who and who?
Elephant and pigeon. And pigeon.
Oh, you protect the elephant and your brother.
Ah!
Oh my God, give him the elephant. He wants the elephant.
Because I want the elephant, please.
Sorry?
I want the elephant, please.
You want the elephant, please? No. No fighting for elephant. It's for both of you. So now, what I want you to do, I want you to kiss your brother and tell him that you love him.
I love you.
Mm-hmm. How much do you love your brother?
I have like this.
So big.
So
Great. Great.
How much I love my mama. Bye.
Sorry?
How much I love my mama.
You also love your mama? That's so cool. It's your turn to share with your brother, because brother was sharing cookie with you. So now it's your turn to share with him.
My cookie. My cookie.
Okay, give him a bite. I'll give you another one. Don't worry, we have so much. Look in the camera so I can see you cry.
Mama,
You want more? Okay.